Okay, look at here. Electron displacement in an organic compound. It is a very important part because on the basis of that, here the some of the question which is to be asked in NEET exam. So for that, you must know some basic idea regarding that electronic displacement in organic compound. So you look at here, what happen in electronic displacement? Basically, three type of the displacement which is to be observed. So one of them is inductive effect. Because of that electron displacement, such type of the effect is to be observed: inductive effect, resonance effect, and electromeric effect. So firstly, we have to discuss the first effect which is to be observed due to the electronic displacement, that is called as the inductive effect. So what is the inductive effect? So if you consider the inductive effect here, that is we know that the sum of the organic compound which is to be here the formed by the atom of the different element which having the difference in electronegativity. So because of the difference in electronegativity, here the more electronegative element carries the here the negative charge, partial negative charge. Because of the electron is to be pushed towards the that more electronegative elements. We know that the electronegativity is the tendency of atom to attract the shear pair of the electron towards itself, that is called as electronegativity. And because of that more electronegativity, here the more electronegative atoms attract the shear pair of the electron towards itself, and because of that here it carries the partial negative charge and the other carries the partial positive charge. So here what happened, the sheared pair between these atom of the different element having the large difference in electronegativity, here this effect here is a permanent, because the electronegativity is permanent. And if the electronegativity is to be permanent, and because of that permanent effect is to be observed when and when that different element is to be attached with each other or the bonded with each other, at that time it always here the one of the carries a positive charge, partial positive charge, and another one carries a partial negative charge. So here this such a type of the polarity is to be observed. So here the permanent polarization of the single covalent bond, generally here the single covalent bond, the effect which is to be observed here, the inductive effect. So the permanent polarization of the single covalent bond due to the difference in electronegativity is called as the inductive effect. So here permanent polarization of the single covalent bond due to the difference in electronegativity is called as the inductive effect. So here if you consider the inductive effect, what effect which is to be observed? So look at here, basically here are the two types of the effect which is to be observed here, the positive inductive effect, another one is the negative inductive effect. So what happened, look at here, the negative inductive effect. Actually what happened, the inductive effect, if you consider that it is inversely proportional to the distance. So it is inversely proportional to distance, which means that the distance between the two atoms is more, at that time that effect is less, which is inversely proportional. So here basically there are two types of the here the effect which is to be observed. One of them is called as a plus inductive effect, another one is called as here the minus inductive effect. So here the two types of the effect which is to be observed here, that one of the is called as here plus inductive effect, another one is called as a minus inductive effect. So here the what is the negative inductive effect? So negative inductive effect is to be shown by that element which having the more electronegativity. So the more electronegative element shows the here the negative inductive effect. Okay. Now if the less electronegative element shows the here the positive inductive effect. It means that the more electronegative element push the electron density towards itself, and here the less electronegative elements, or we say that the species which push the away the electron density, that is called as here the positive inductive effect. So the positive inductive effect is which is to be observed on that species which having tendency to push away the electron density. So look at here the negative inductive effect, if you consider that. So here we know that is the species, if you consider the OH2 plus positive charge is there, here NH3G is there, NO2 is there, cyanide is there. So in this way, this is the inductive effect which is to be observed here basically. So look at here the more effect which is to be observed here, the inductive effect. So here the COH is more inductive effect than the COR, COR is more than that of the CHO, CHO is more than that of the COR. So in this way, that is here the negative inductive effect which is to be observed in this way. Because if you consider this was this NH3 plus, here it is a more negative inductive effect which is to be observed here. Now the positive inductive effect, consider that here the species which having the less electronegativity, because of that here repel the electron density, or which gives the away the electron density. Such type of the effect is called as here the positive inductive effect. So look at here the order of that positive inductive effect which is to be here. I give the idea about that. Here look at here this one, here is the NH minus is the group which have the tendency to push away the electron density. O minus also having the tendency to push away the electron density. So look at here, this is a alkyl group. If is the one alkyl group is there, and if the two alkyl group is there, at that time two alkyl group having the more tendency to push the electron density away. If the, so here also if we consider here primary and the secondary and the tertiary is having the more positive inductive effect than that of the secondary is more than that of the primary. So in this way the positive inductive effect which is to be observed here. Now well known here, if you consider the some of the example here, the hydrogen and the deuterium having the more positive inductive effect than that of the hydrogen. So in this way, that is here the inductive effect, and its application is very important. So look at here. So application is very important, because on the basis of that here the application we can here the give the some idea or some of the stability of the some of the intermediate. So look at here the stability of the carbocation here is to be increased, or it is to be directly proportional to the positive inductive effect and inversely proportional to the negative inductive effect. Because what happened, carbocation, we know that the carbocation is the here the positive charge carbon species having the 6 electron in its outermost shell. So here it contains the 6 electron in its outermost shell, and therefore it is a electron deficient species. And if it is a electron deficient species, then it having the electron, it required the electron density, and if it is required the electron density, at that time the species which have tendency to give the electron density to such carbocation, so for that it increase the stability of that particular carbocation. So look at here, if it is a carbocation is there which is the electron deficient one, if it is a electron deficient, at that time if there is a if you consider this one, this is a primary one, primary carbocation, here only one methyl group is to be attached, and which decreases here the instability of that, or here the increases the stability. So here increases the stability by pushing the electron density towards there. If you consider this secondary carbocation is there, where the 2 methyl group is to be here gives the electron density to carbon or the carbocation, and because of that two are giving the electron density to this, and because of that here the carbocation here the most stable. And if you consider this one tertiary carbocation, 3 electron donating group, that is the alkyl group, is to be present there, and because of that here it having the more stability. So in this way the stability which is to be observed here. Now sometime if you consider the carbanion, if you consider that the carbanion is the negative charge carbon species having the 8 electron in its outermost shell, because if you consider that the carbanion, if you consider that a carbon are having the negative charge which having the less tendency to carry the electron density, and which having the less tendency to carry the electron density, and because of that extra electron density which is to be present on it having the less stability, and because of that here the less stability due to the electron density, more electron density which is to be present, and because of that what happened here, we require some of the such atom or group of atom which here the share that electron density which is to be present and that carbon, and therefore the species which here the push towards that electron density from that carbon which having the here the instability because of that electron density which is present on it, and therefore if you consider that is here this one carbon which having the here the electron density, if you consider this is if the it having already the electron density, and even though some of the species which gives the electron density towards that species at that time it is a more unstable, So here look at here this carbon which having the carbanion ion and which already having the electron density, and because of that electron density it is unstable one, and even though that here the these species methyl group providing the electron density, so it is a more and more unstable. So here the tertiary carbanion ion is more unstable here than that of the secondary carbanion ion. Secondary carbanion ion is more unstable than that of this one, or here we say that it is a stable one, methyl carbanion ion. It is a stable one. But if you consider here that is a carbocation, and if you attach the electron withdrawing group, towards that here the carbocation, at that time what happened, we know that carbocation already deficient species which having the less electron density, deficiency is there, and even though some of the species or atom or group of atom which withdraw that electron density, at that time that become a more and more unstable. But if the carbanion ion is there, and if the electron density which is to be present on the here that carbanion ion, that is to be shared by that species by withdrawing the electron density, and that carbanion ion is a more stable. So look at here, by electron donating group, carbocation is stable, and by electron donating group carbanion ion is unstable. So look at here the species, here the Cl2 is there, and even though we know that already it is a deficient one, and here the 3,3Cl which withdraw the electron density, already it is deficient, and even though the chlorine is to be here the attracted the electron density towards itself, at that time it is a more and more unstable. So here it is a more instability. So in this way, that is the stability which can be asked in a NEET exam, which is to be depend upon the electron donating group. Also look at here, that is here the position of that particular here the electron withdrawing group. If you consider here the carbocation, we know that the carbocation is the electron deficient one, and if the electron withdrawing group is to be present near to that, at that time it is a more and more unstable. So here, and if the carbanion ion is there, and if the carbanion ion is there, and he want to shear that here the electron density which is present on that the carbon. So here if it is a shearing, sheared the atom is to be near, shared atom is to be near. At that time, look at here the carbanion ion. Here is a fluorine is at the first, here the next carbon date, here the fluorine is. So here this fluorine having the tendency to share that electron density more easily than these fluorine which is to be far away from that here the negative charge electron density, and therefore these carbanion ion which having the more electronegative elements or the electron withdrawing group near present, that is a more stability. So it is a more stability than of this one because of fluorine not having the so much ability to carry that electrons. If you consider this one, it is far away. So in this way, so distance is also the responsible to share that particular electrons which is present on the carbanion ion. If it is near, then we say that it is a more stable. Now look at here. Also, if you consider this one, we know that if the triple bond is there, at that time, here that is a sp hybridization is there. If the double bond is there, sp2 hybridization is there, and if the here the single bond is there, sp3 hybridization is there. So we observe that if you consider the carbanion ion here, that is the stability of the sp3 hybridization is more, because more electronegative due to the more s character. More electronegative due to the more s character. If you consider this one, here the sp2 carbon is less stable than if you consider sp3, it is again less stable. Now look at here, what discuss the next point regarding that. You must know that is here the effect on the acid strength. So here that is also the which is to be asked in exam. So look at here, acid strength is directly proportional to the stability of the anion. So here the acid strength is directly proportional to the stability of the anion. It means that we know that here if the acid is there, it will convert it into its anion and H plus. If the product is more stable, it means that product is anion. If the anion is more stable, then this reaction is to be more favored for forward reaction, and therefore the stability is more of the anion, then we say that the strength of the acid is more. So here in this way we know that the stability of the anion is to be depend upon the electron here the withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group, because the anion is there, and here look at here the stability here. So here in this way CS3, generally what happen, acid strength is directly proportional to the stability of the anion. So here the stability, if we observe that here CS3O, then here the CS3CH2O, and here the CS3CHO. So we know that here the stability is to be anion. If you consider the anion, here the electron withdrawing group is if we attach at that time it is more stable, and if we attach the electron donating group, if it is attached the electron donating group, then it is anion become unstable, because already it having the electron density, and even though some of the species giving the electron density towards that species, at that time we say that here it is more unstable, and therefore this is a stability, this is a unstable anion, because here the 3 or the 2 methyl group which pushing the electron density of that anion, which disturb the stability of the anion. So in the place of the CS3, if we use the electron withdrawing group, that is a chlorine, or the fluorine, at that time the stability of the anion is more, and because of that the strength is more. So here in this way, also here if you consider that is here the electronegativity which is to be responsible, already we discussed that point. Now the acid strength, here that result here the acid strength is directly proportional to the negative inductive effect. I already gives the idea about that, because the negative inductive effect share that electron density of the anion, and because of the sharing that electron density of the anion, here the anion is more stable, and therefore the acid strength is directly proportional to the negative inductive effect. Because that negative inductive effect, here the electron density which is to be present on the anion, that can be shared. So here, so look at here, if you consider this one, here the CS3, here the SCOH, CS3COH, here we know that if the anion is to be formed at that time, here the electron density destabilize the anion. Electron density push the electron density, positive inductive effect, destabilize the anion, and if the positive inductive effect, here is a positive inductive effect, H, CS3, C2H5, here these are the more and more positive inductive effect, and therefore here the stability of the anion is to be decreases, and if the stability of the anion is to be decreased, then the acid strength also decreases. So here in this way we can take the example of that, this one. If you consider here the fluorine, fluorine is there, electron withdrawing group is there, electron withdrawing group, here the stabilize the anion, and if it is stabilize the anion, it means that the more is the strength of that acid. So look at here, the fluorine is the electron withdrawing group which stabilize the anion of the acid, and therefore if you attach the electron withdrawing group the carboxylic acid, at that time the stability is to be here the more. So in this way, then the basic strength. So look at here, just we have to consider the here the vice versa. We have to consider the vice versa. We know that if you consider the acid strength is to be directly proportional to the negative inductive effect and inversely proportional to the positive inductive effect. Here the vice versa, that is here the basic strength is directly proportional to the positive inductive effect, and here the inversely proportional to the negative inductive effect. That because of the electron donating group, we know that here the in base is the species which have tendency, according to Lewis concept, we know that there is a base is a such species which have tendency to donate the lone pair of the electron, and if you want to donate the lone pair of the electron, at that time if the sum of the species which giving the electron density to that species to donate that one, at that time he donate more easily, because the source is to be come from other species. So electron here the donating group, it means that the positive inductive effect if is there, at that time here we say that the strength of the base is to be increases. So here that point, just like that is a vice versa of the acidic strength. Okay, now the next one is the resonance effect. So if you consider the resonance effect, look at here the resonance effect. So here the resonance effect is to be observed due to the delocalization of the electrons. Delocalization of the pi electron, generally we say that here the delocalization of the electron is to be take place, and because of the delocalization of the electron, and it gives a two or more structure which is also giving the same property, that structure is called a resonance structure, or we say that two or more structure which is to be observed due to the delocalization of the pi electron, that is called as a resonance structure, and average structure of the various these called as a resonance hybrid. So here look at here, so that point we have to discuss here the resonance structure. So look at here the resonance structure. Here what happen in resonance, the pi electron generally is to be used. Now look at here, this is a conjugation. Conjugation, if you consider that conjugation, you must know the terms conjugation. Alternate single and double bond is called as a conjugation. So because of that conjugation, what happen, the resonance structure is to be observed. Because of the conjugation, resonance structure is to be observed. So look at here type of the conjugation. In a short, I use the idea about the type of the conjugation. In type of the conjugation, pi conjugation. Pi conjugation. Pi conjugation means that here the alternate single and double bond is there. So the pi bond is to be here the conjugated to other one. Pi double bond, single bond, double bond. So this is called the pi conjugation. If all conjugated position have the pi bond, then conjugation is known as pi conjugation. Alternate single and double bond which contain the pi bonds, all these pi bonds. So look at here in benzene. Benzene also the single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. So here the pi conjugation is to be observed. Then positive charge and pi conjugation. So look at here the one of the species which having the positive charge, and another here that one is the double bond, single bond, and the positive charge. So here this is also the conjugation is to be possible, and because of that here the delocalization of the pi electron is to be observed here. इथं सुद्धा डिलोकलायझेशन होऊ शकतं डबल बॉन्डचं. इथं सिंगल बॉन्डमध्ये इथं पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज येऊ शकतो आणि नंतर मग इथे या ठिकाणी हा डबल बॉन्ड या साईडला शिफ्ट होऊ शकतो. सो दिस डबल बॉन्ड इज टू बी शिफ्टेड टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड बिकॉज दिस द कॉन्जुगेशन is positive charge and pi conjugation. So here what happened, this double bond shifted to this one, so double bond is to be converted into single bond, then single bond is to be here because of the here the double bond is to be formed here, this double bond is shifted towards this one, so this carries positive charge and this carries a negative charge. So here in this way that is a conjugation is to be, because of the conjugation delocalization is to be possible. So another one is that here the negative charge and the pi conjugation. So look at here, this is the negative charge. So here double bond, single bond and the negative charge. So here double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond and a negative charge. So here alternate, here the position is to be possible, and because of that here also the delocalization is to be possible. So the negative charge is to be converted into the pi bond, and here the pi bond is not to be, pi bond is not to be possible. Therefore this bond is to be shifted here, and therefore the negative charge pi bond is to be converted into the negative charge. So in this way negative charge is to be converted into the negative charge. It means the electrons. So here the pair of the electron is to be converted into the pi bond, and this pi bond is to be converted into the pair of the electrons. So negative charge. So in this way that is the delocalization is to be possible here also. Then the delocalization is to be possible. Another here also the odd electron and pi conjugation. So look at here the pi, and here is the single bond, double bond, single bond and the electron. So what happened here, look at here, that is the here the pi bond is to be symmetrically breaked here. So here what happened, the electron from this is goes to here, and electron from this goes to here, and there is a formation of the here the double bond, and because of this electron half here the heterolytic homolytic bond fission is there, and because of that what happened, the free radical is to be observed here and double bond is to be observed here. So in this way the pi bond is to be shifted to another position to give the resonance structure. Okay, then the lone pair and pi conjugation. If you consider the lone pair, so look at here the lone pair which is to be present here, that lone pair is to be converted into the bond pair, and this bond pair is to be converted into the lone pair, and because of that here also there is a possibility to delocalize the pi bond. Okay, so the delocalization is to be take place by conjugation, and how many type of the conjugation which is to be observed here, that are 5 type of the conjugation. One of the conjugation is pi pi conjugation, another one is the pi and negative charge, another one is pi and positive charge, then fourth is here the pi and here the single electron, and fifth one is the pi and pair of the electron, a lone pair of the electron. So in this way, if the such a conjugation is there, at that time the resonance structure which is to be observed here. Now look at here the mesomeric effect. In a resonance structure, here the mesomeric effect is to be observed. Two types of the effect which is to be observed in a resonance effect. One of them is a mesomeric effect. So here mesomeric effect, and another one is a hyperconjugation effect. So look at here, the because of that resonance, here the two, here the structure or two effect which is to be observed here, that one is the complete delocalization of the pi electron with a conjugated pi bond, lone pair of the electron, negative charge, positive charge, odd electron, is called as a mesomeric effect. So look at here, the complete delocalization is there. Complete delocalization is there. That is not a permanent, that is a temporary. So here, that is here the temporary shifting is there, and here the complete lone pair is to be shifted by using the conjugation. This effect is called as a mesomeric effect. So here that type we discuss here. So look at here, this is the conjugation pi, single band and positive charge. So here the pi is to be converted to the double bond is to be, or the bond pair, the pi bond is shifted here, and here is the positive charge. Positive charge is shifted here. So in this way, that is where the positive charge is shifted here, and because of that, here the continuous delocalization is to be observed, and average structure of the two or more structure, that is called the resonance hybrid, where this whole molecule carries a positive charge, partial positive charge and partial positive charge. Here also the delocalization is there. We know that here is the negative charge, or we say that here the conjugation double bond, single bond, double bond. So here the pi bond, pi conjugation is there, and the double bond is to be, pi bond is to be shifted here, and this bond is to be shifted, or the pi is to be converted into the negative charge. Because of this shifting, here is the positive charge is to be observed. Here the positive charge, here negative charge, and therefore one of the species acquired the positive charge and another species acquired the negative charge. So this is a resonance structure. Average structure of the two or more resonance is called the resonance hybrid. Then look at here this one, another example of that. Here this is the pi conjugation. So here the pi conjugation, same way, that is here the double bond is to be shifted into here, single, and this double bond is to be shifted here. So here what happened, this carries a negative charge, and because of the shift of this electron, it carries a positive charge. So positive and negative charge, and these are the structure which is to be observed here, and this is the resonance hybrid. So in this way, the mesomeric effect is to be observed. More and more structure which gives the more stability. Okay, so the another example, if we consider, that is here the well-known example, this one. So look at here, we already learned in here the aromatic compounds. So look at here what happened, the lone pair is to be converted into the bond pair, and because this carbon having the already 4 bond, 1, 2, 3 and 4, so 4 bond already is there, and because of that, here this carbon having already 4 bonds, but the lone pair is to be converted into the bond pair. So this bond is to be shifted. We know that the carbon not having the tendency to form the 5th bond. and if the carbon not having that tendency to form the fifth bond, immediately that pi bond is to be converted into the lone pair. So this is a negative charge here because of that lone pair, and so the negative charge, again this negative charge is to be converted into the, because here the positive, here the its own lone pair it is utilized, therefore it carries a positive charge. So negative charge is to be again converted into the bond, pi bond, because this carbon having the 4 already bond, and therefore the next bond is to be not formed immediately. When he accepts the pair of the electron in the form of the bond, what happens? This bond is to be converted into the electron pair. So negative charge here. So in this way we observe that this is a resonance structure which is to be observed continuously, delocalization of the here the negative charge which is to be take place on that ring. So at generally we observe that this at the ortho and the para position, and the resonance structure here is the 5 resonance structure is to be observed here. More is the resonance structure, more is the stability. So here this is the resonance hybrid, the average structure of the 2 or more resonance structure, that is called the resonance hybrid. So in this way, same way, look at here, this is also the electron donating group, this is also the electron donating group. Same way the electron here to be pushed away, and therefore that is a whole benzene ring carries a negative charge, it's having the electron density, and therefore we know that such type of the species, phenol or the aniline, gives the ESR, electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para position. So look at here the next same way here the chlorine is there, same way the delocalization, just like the oxygen having the pair of the electron, chlorine, halogen having the 3 pair of the electron, oxygen having the 2 pair of the electron, nitrogen having the 1 pair of the electrons, and same way that is a delocalization is to be possible here. Now look at here, this is another way sorry. Now this is a electron withdrawing group. So we know that if you consider the halogens, electron donating group is there, electron will push the electron density, gives the electron density to benzene. Phenol, in phenol also the OH gives the electron density to the benzene ring. Also the in aniline, NH2 gives the electron density to the benzene ring, and therefore the negative charge is to be observed on the benzene ring. Now if you consider this one, COOH group is there, the carboxylic group is here, carboxylate ions is here, which having the tendency to accept the lone pair of the electron. So it is the electron withdrawing group. So what happened? This electron bond pair is to be converted into the electron lone pair, and because of that what happened? The carbon having 4 bond but 1 less here, because of this oxygen carry the lone pair of the electrons by accepting from the bond pair. So here immediately this carbon accept the electron from this ring. So this lone pair is to be converted here, the bond pair is to be converted into the bond pair. So here the bond pair is to be converted into the lone pair, and the bond pair is to be converted into the bond pair, and here because of that we know that this bond is to be shifted towards this one, and therefore this carbon carries a positive charge here. So here this positive charge, we know that the carbon cation is the, here the deficient is here, therefore that deficiency is to be here the stabilized by the pushing this bond towards this one. So immediately this bond is to be shift here, and the double bond is to be observed here, and here it carries a positive charge. So same way, because of this here the instability, immediately to stabilize this cation, immediately the bond is to be shift here, and what happened? Look at here carefully, here is the double bond and here is the positive charge, and again this electron pair is to be converted into the bond pair, and the bond is to be converted into the bond. So here the carboxylic here the acid, if you consider the carboxylate ion is we consider, which is the electron withdrawing group, it withdraw the electron density from the benzene ring, and therefore benzene ring carries the positive charge. So here the positive charge which is to be observed on this benzene ring, this is a resonance hybrid, or the hybrid structure of the two or more resonance, or average structure of the two or more resonance is called as a resonance hybrid. Here also same way, just like this one, the carboxylate ion and the NO2 group both are electron withdrawing group, that also the withdraw the electron density from the benzene ring, and therefore it is not easily gives the ESR at the benzene ring. Electrophilic substitution reaction, electrophile is not attacked because already it not having the electron density. So generally nucleophilic substitution reaction is more favor for that. So in this way, that is here the resonance hybrid, and negative mesomeric effect and positive mesomeric effect. So look at here, the negative mesomeric effect which is to be observed due to the electron withdrawing group, just like the NO2, just like the carboxylic acid. These are the species which withdraw the electron density and therefore push towards the pi bond, and therefore it is gives a negative mesomeric effect. And if the species, if we consider that these are the species which gives the negative mesomeric effect, this is the order of that one. NO2 is more powerful than that of the cyanide, cyanide is more than that of the carboxylic acid is more than that of the aldehyde, and is the less one is the ketone. So here this is a negative inductive effect which is to be observed, negative mesomeric effect is to be observed. Then if you consider the that is a positive mesomeric effect. So look at here the positive mesomeric effect. If you consider that here, that is a positive mesomeric effect is observed by the electron donating group. So here application, if you consider that is here the mesomeric effect. So here the stability of the intermediate. So if you consider the stability of the intermediate, here more is the here the if you consider the negative, if you consider the stability of the carbocation, if you consider that here the carbocation, if you consider same way, just like the inductive effect, the carbocation is to be stabilized by the positive inductive effect. Same way here the carbocation is to be stabilized by the positive mesomeric effect, or here therefore it is to be direct stability of that the carbocation is to be directly proportional to the plus mesomeric effect and inversely proportional to the negative mesomeric effect. And here the stability of the carbanion ion, just like the inductive effect, already we learned that it is directly proportional to that is here the negative inductive effect anion, and same way the carbanion having the more stability due to the minus mesomeric effect, and it is less stable due to the plus mesomeric effect. So the same here the reason for that carbocation and carbanion ion also. So here in this way, in short, I give the idea about that some of the example which stabilize due to the positive inductive effect, positive mesomeric effect and negative mesomeric effect. So this is a carbocation. Look at here the carbocation. If you consider that here this is a carbocation and this is a methoxy group which having the positive mesomeric effect that can be stabilized more. If you consider this COH which having the negative mesomeric effect, and because of that carbocation here the negative mesomeric effect is there, and because of that it is a less stable. So it is a less stable and it is a more stable because methoxy group is a gives a positive mesomeric effect. Here also if you consider the NO2, here the negative charge is there, carbanion ion is there. Carbanion ion, so the electron withdrawing group gives the most stability if there is a carbanion ion is there, an electron donating group gives the less stability. So in this way the stability of the mesomeric effect. So here we completed, that is a resonance effect, and that is here the inductive effect. Also we discussed the application. So look at here, it is a very important to know the application, also solve the some of the MCQ which is based upon the application in need, because I think 4 to 5 questions which is to be asked in exam from this chapter. So concentrate on this chapter to by using the some of the MCQ. Okay, here we stop. Later on we discuss, that is a other part of that. Okay.